How to delete contacts from Telegram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram. Click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Settings in here. Then, simply click on Privacy and Security. After that, in Privacy and Security, scroll down and turn off Sync Contacts. After you have done that, click on Suggested Frequent Contacts. Make sure you disable that as well. Then click on Delete Synced Contacts. Click on Delete and you're good to go. This is how to delete contacts from Telegram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.